Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And is this smartphone gonna be light to repair? Let's find out. So first thing we're gonna do is look around the device, and we can see that the camera lens cover at the back is also busted. But the main concern for this one is the broken display. We're gonna open this Note 10 Lite through the back, so we're gonna remove the back cover. Lots of alcohol already poured into it, just to make the adhesive soft and easy to remove. Slice through it, take our time. The back cover seems very flexible, so indicative of a plastic material. Is there a connector underneath this back cover? Let's find out. Use a bit of force, and there's no connector, so just remove that straight off. We're gonna unscrew the cover for the main board. Lift it up, and you can see the main board there. The battery connector and the display connector are all over the battery, so you don't have to remove the battery at this point. We're gonna remove the cover for the daughter board, and David is gonna try to turn on this device to see if it shows us anything. This is, by the way, the replacement display. It's not the same color, but it's the same spare part for this specific model, so it's gonna be okay. Don't have to stress about it. I'm gonna try to test this on the daughter board. This is quite a very curious design. The display connects to the daughter board, and you can see that it's booting up pretty nicely. We're gonna remove this plastic, and it works. That. So the connector for the display connects the daughter board, and you can see that there's a main cable going to the main board so that the signal is exchanged in a very robust channel. I'm gonna shut it down. David has already messed up with the camera, making faces, so let's continue with our disassembly process. So the way this one works, we have to remove everything from the old display. So we have to remove the daughter board, battery, the main board, and other cables and miscellaneous parts. David has forgotten to remove the SIM card tray, so that's a bit of a struggle removing the main board. You can see this one is kind of a burgundy color. This is not gonna make an impact on the performance, just an aesthetic change, which I think is a good trade-off. Granted that we are using an original part here. Put back the SIM card tray to align the main board. Align the daughter board on its slot. Route the cables, antenna cables on the side there. Put some the miscellaneous parts, the small parts. We should track so we don't miss one part. Can mess up the smartphone. We have the screw bag here. Just pour that out all over the table. It's for the daughter board cover and the main board cover. So if you have a Galaxy Note 10 Lite, this is quite a complicated repair, to be honest. So you have to remove every part and transfer it to a new display. So quite very tedious and requires some skill and tools to complete. So if you don't have the tools, the experience, the time, or the patience to perform this type of repair, you can head over to your local repair service technician that you trust. And if you don't have a local service technician that you can trust, save this right here, Sydney CBD Repair Center. He will perform screen replacement on your Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Everything Samsung. He's a Samsung expert. We've mentioned it here in the channel for a lot of times now. And for some weird reason, we're gonna reuse the back cover. It's kind of a burgundy black combo. And it's gonna work. We're gonna give it back to the client. We're gonna perform the final testing. It's gonna live on for a couple of years. So if you want to save your smartphone from being thrown into the dump, you can fix it and we'll help you fix it. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.